check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of One Tech Reviews. This is your boy Leo, and today we have the Raycon gaming earbuds. Now, these earbuds I actually saw on my IG feed, and as I remembered, I once owned a pair of Raycon earbuds, and they were actually the everyday earbuds. Now, this was a couple years ago, and the quality back then when I first purchased the everyday earbuds, it was decent. It was actually pretty good for the buck. I feel as though they may have improved over time. Again, this was a couple years ago, so we'll see how well these have improved. But aside from that, these are for gaming, so I'm really interested in how well they do with when they're connected to a console or a PC. All right, so let's go ahead and move on with some of the specs. So what we have back here is for these earbuds, it's the HyperSync low maintenance mode. It has 31 hours of battery life. It has optimized mic for gaming, IPX5 water resistance, fast charge and wireless charging, and 3 sound profiles. Now, these actually also come in different colors. They come in black, blue, gray, and I believe they also come in purple. I always get black AirPods. Black earbuds. But I wanted to switch it up. I wanted to stand out a little bit more and try these out. I mean, why not? The price for these online are actually $99.99, and I believe I also received an extra 15%. I think that was a promotional thing that they're doing right now. So act quick. I don't know how long they're gonna have the 15%, but as of the recording, it's still available for an additional 15%. So let's go ahead and open these up. All right, so let's go ahead and see what comes in. All right, so let's see what's in here. All right, so let's go ahead and start off with the ear tips. So these it has a lot of ear tips that you can try on, so I'm sure you'll find the size right for you. There we go. And this is the USB-A to USB Type-C connection for the fast charging. All right, before we open those up, we have a Raycon sticker. And we also have the manual, which, we're definitely going to take a look at once I start my review. Now, just as an FYI, I will be doing a review after this. And you're going to be able to find it on a different video once it's posted. But right now we're just doing the unboxing. So as you can tell, this is the case. Inside, of course, are the headphones. And you can also see that the Type-C connection is at the bottom. The Raycon logos on the front. And let's go ahead and open them up. All right, so off the back, these actually look pretty cool because they have the RGB lighting on them, which is amazing. And it's, you see a lot of RGB lights on different, over the head headphones, and not that many earbuds. So this is actually pretty cool, especially if you're a gamer. And you can also see that it has the RGB lights on the headphones themselves, on the earbuds themselves. And that's actually cool. This the way that they look also remind me of the first gen AirPods. So mainly because of the stem, and I'm sure that these are going to fit pretty well. I might have to switch out the tips, but overall they look like they would fit. Here, let me take both of them out so that you guys can all see it. All right, so here they are. I mean, they're not linked up to any device at the moment. This is the first unboxing. So once I connect them, I'm sure they're gonna sound well. All right, so oh, wait, did I put them in right? All right, there we go. My bad. First time opening, so that's my bad. All right, so in comparison, at least to the size of the AirPods that I currently use, I have the AirPods Pro, and this is just a size difference so that you guys can kind of see how they compare in size. The casing is a bit bigger, but not as big as one of the cases that I actually used to use, which is, let me bring it out, which is this. These are the Bose Sound Sports, I believe. And as you can tell, this is actually pretty big in comparison. I was never really a fan of the big casing, but I really did like the sound quality, so this is great. And of course, you know, the AirPods Pro, they're my everyday use, and I want to see if these will be my gaming earbuds, not necessarily for a lot of my PC stuff, but maybe for like my Switch and stuff like that, because you know, with the new update for the Switch, now you have the Bluetooth option. I did test that out before, and I will be able to connect that now. But other than that, this is the unboxing for the Raycons, the gaming buds. If you guys have experienced or have an experience with these buds, please leave a comment. You know, I'd love to know how your experience was, and I will be able to share my experience in another video. Again, this is your boy Leo, and thank you for watching One Tech Reviews.